In the Lok Sabha today, South Goa MP Captain Viriato Fernandes raises serious allegation over the flyover being constructed in front of Dabolim Airport. Speaking during a star question, he said the project served two purposes: to facilitate coal transport by the Adani Group from the Mormugao Port Authority, and he alleged to deliberately undermine Dabolim Airport by constructing pillars that exceed obstacle limitation surface norms. Captain Viriato Fernandes warned that the violation posed a direct threat to aviation safety. Unhappy with the reply of the Minister of the State of Road Transport and Highways, he demanded accountability from officials of the National Highway Authority of the India and Ministry for what he called serious violation and financial loss. He also alleged that public money is being spent to support coal transportation, while vested interests within the state government are attempting to shut down Dabolim Airport through indirect means.
Thank you, Speaker sir. Sir, this is concerning the construction of a flyover in front of Dabolim Airport, which is meant, everybody knows, for transporting coal from MPA to other states. Sir, as per the rules, for any construction near the airport, as per the Gazette notification of Ministry of Civil Aviation, it is mandatory to take a NOC for OLS, obstacle limitation surface. लेकिन इस कंस्ट्रक्शन में सर ना एनओसी लिया, बार बार हम बताते रहे, और इंडियन नेवी सर, which is the custodian of the airport, told the NHAI contractor, please take the NOC because it is a danger for civil aircraft which are coming. But they were defiant. People went to the High Court and the High Court told to take the NOC from Navy. Accordingly, the design was altered. 17 pillars have been cut. So what is the loss suffered by the center while cutting this? Because this is only meant to benefit the person who is transporting the coal from MPA to other states. Because all the people constructing the houses around the airport have to mandatorily take permission.
Honorable अंतिम महोदय
going to wear this loss.
माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, चूंकि जैसा कि माननीय सदस्य जी के द्वारा बताया गया है कि डीपीआर कंसल्टेंट ने जो स्वीकृति काम करने से पहले ली थी उस पर उचित कार्रवाई की जा रही है। जो माननीय सदस्य जी के द्वारा निवेदन किया है, वहां पर बिल्डिंग इसमें जो मौजूद है उसकी ऊंचाई इस फ्लाईओवर से ज़्यादा है, इसलिए कंसल्टेंट से स्वीकृति नहीं ली थी। इस पूरे प्रकरण में लगभग 4 करोड़ की अतिरिक्त खर्च आ रहा है, उस पर मंत्रालय द्वारा निर्णय लिया।
Honorable member, supplementary.
Sir, my humble request is that action should be taken against the NHAI officials who defied taking permission from Indian Navy and leading to the loss. Because it is only going to benefit the transporter Adani.
माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, क्योंकि मैंने पहले ही बताया है कि जो एनओसी लेने के उपरांत जो बाकी का डीपीआर में एक्स्ट्रा हमको इन्वेस्टमेंट करना है वो कर रहे हैं, और जो डिपार्टमेंट विभागीय कारवाई है तो हम करेंगे।
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर।